Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at the WSD SketchUp mechanical pencil. And this is a 5.6 millimeter mechanical pencil. And it's made with brass and aluminum. Let's open this thing up and take a look at it. I saw this on Amazon and it looked pretty neat. And I want to take a look at it and see how it looked. Now, this isn't super expensive. It's about $16. And it's supposed to have a built-in sharpener, too. Now, I don't know what's going on with the packaging here, because I'm assuming this is inspiration and creative, but that looks an awful lot like a B to me. I'm thinking this is one of those things, like it's made in China, so probably we're looking at maybe a weird translation thing. Inspiration and creative. Yeah, that's just worded strangely. Alright. So, let's see. Alright, this is the part I'm interested in. What is this? I wonder what this is. I don't know. That's a mystery. Alright, so this is, this is one of those ones that has a little clutch. So what you do is you press down and you adjust it so you have a decent amount of lead there, and you have the WSD sketch up, and this is 5.6 millimeters. Doesn't write too bad, and it looks kind of good. So where is the sharpener side of things? Maybe here? Y'all think that's the sharpener? Kind of might. Looks like it might be. I don't know. Let's look at the instructions. See if we can figure out where the sharpener is. It's not too bad though. I mean, like, it looks kind of neat. And it's not bad to hold. If you need like a larger lead thing to write with. And then what do we have instruction-wise? Optional accessories. I'm guessing that the part we just unscrewed was indeed the sharpener. I don't know what this is, though. Is it a tip that goes in there? Oh, I better know what this is. Is it a stylus? Huh. I don't know. I'm not sure what this is. A mystery. Unless... Let's see. If I take this out and I insert this way, nothing happens. Alright, I'm stumped by this one. If any of y'all have any ideas in the comments, let me know. I'm not sure what that is. But all in all, it's kind of a neat little thing, and it's pretty solid. Feels pretty good to write with. I don't know. I'd say if you're looking for this kind of thing, 15, 16 bucks isn't bad. And it's, I mean, it just doesn't have that many moving parts. So As long as the materials are relatively solid, and it seems like it says brass and aluminum, should be fine. Anyway, let me know what you think. And if you can figure out what that little bit was that I was messing with, let me know in the comments as well. Anyway, I'll include links in the description where you can find this if you're interested. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.